Easy guys, just me again. I'm back on my own this time. Leo's been kind enough to lend me his little mic, so laughing, things we do, helping me with my video editing and all that. I think it's going to be the front end today, so I'm hoping to get everything done in one day, but maybe we'll get back at it tomorrow. Going to drop the forks, paint them black. We're going to fit these new bits that I just showed you. We've got the new handlebars, we've got the new clocks. Whether I get those wired in or not is another question. I think that's going to be a little bit of messing around with wiring. Whether you guys are interested in that, I'm not sure, but maybe we time lapse that or show you little bits and pieces from there. Plus we've got the indicators, so I think we'll have to make maybe a bracket. I'm going to paint the headlight black. I'll put you on a tripod. We're going to crack on and just oh no, I'm doing it, the YouTube thing. Let's crack on. I'm not doing that, hopefully not, so let's try not to make that. We'll have to think of something else. Any comments in the bottom, guys? What we can do before we start working on our jobs? I think Leo wants me to wear a GoPro on my chest, so I'm going to look an absolute wally. But it'll give you some good footage, I reckon. So let's see how we get on. So let's have a little reminder of where we were at. So we've got our running. We're going to anything chrome on this front end, we're gonna black out. It's not a really big fan of chrome, and I think that'll be a much nicer look in satin black. These clocks have got to go. So yeah, put our nice little clock on that we bought off eBay. I'm gonna put our new handlebars things on and see how we can get them working. You're gonna be along for the ride, guys, so let's get at it. Bought these off eBay, the new handlebars, pair of drop bars. So let's have a little open up of this and have a look what we got, shall we? Oh, that's the clip on for the handlebar, goes on the forks, and then we've got a little drop bar bit that goes in there. So some little drop bars, they should go on nice, make a bit of a difference for the old caferacer. I'm not going to bother cleaning this up too much. I'm just going to get rid of any the shininess from it. I'm not going to bother with the scratches or anything like that. I just want it to look a bit nicer than it does now. I'm not a big fan of chrome, so we'll get rid of all the chrome on it. Here's everything all painted up. They don't look too bad if I do say so myself. The little ring that goes around the light, we've actually just glued on, and that's currently drying. I think we've got enough here to start getting ourselves going back together. Gonna leave what we've got together so far, and then we're gonna just make this bracket to hold the new clocks on. So a bit of cardboard aided design, pretty common these days. And I've got Evie, my daughter, she's 10, and she's gonna be doing some close up. Come on in, you wanna get in close? Right, we're gonna use 2 holes that held the other top yoke on top. So we're gonna use those to make a bracket coming off around the ignition barrel just to hold the clocks in here. Got some paper, got some card a bit thicker once we've got some good shape, and then we'll make it out of metal. So here we go.